संसदेच्या अधिवेशनापूर्वीच घमासान पाहायला मिळालं। सर्वपक्षीय बैठकीतून विरोधक बाहेर पडले तर टीएमसीच्या फुटीर खासदारांना बोलावल्याने विरोधक आक्रमक झाले। विरोधी पक्षाच्या खासदारांचा सर्वपक्षीय बैठकीवरती बहिष्कार घालण्यात आला।
That has to be decided in the Business Advisory Committee.
Kiranji, there's a demand by the Congress especially for an all-party meeting. Are you open to that?
Congress has written the letter earlier also. They have written letter now also. It is the right of the Congress party and any other political party to make demand and request. And government will definitely take the steps whatever is necessary, but we can't force each other. It's not my way or highway. It's like consultation. And if Congress party wants something, they can say in the house also, they can say outside also. But you can't force that a certain step has to be taken as per the demand of the principal opposition party. They cannot force, that's all.
Sir, some opposition parties have raised this issue that you have invited Sudip Dar, an NCPI leader, when the speaker is yet to recognize the party.
No, I have already answered that.
Sir, NCPI
It is not about recognition. I have no right to recognize political parties. Government has the right to call all the members, especially all the floor leaders. Since they are forming a separate bloc, Speaker Saab has given them the space to sit separately in the house. So by that virtue, the government will have to invite the leaders of those separate blocs.
The opposition said it was an all-party meeting. NCPI is not a recognized party.
All party means those parties who have the members in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. If there is a big bloc, they want to sit separately. Speaker Saab is taking cognizance of their demand. They have been given space in the house. How can government deny their attendance in the all-party floor leaders meeting? डिमांड बहुत है, एक एक करके चर्चा नहीं करना है। बहुत डिमांड है, बहुत पॉइंट है। इतना बड़ा देश में मुद्दे भी कई होते हैं। एक मुद्दा से तो देश नहीं चलता है, कई मुद्दे होते हैं। लेकिन मुद्दे को अपना बात रखने का अधिकार है, लेकिन जबरदस्ती ये ही चर्चा करना है, बाकी नहीं करना, ऐसा तो कह नहीं सकता है कोई। धन्यवाद।
सर्वपक्षीय बैठकीच्या मधील या घडामोडी आपण पाहिलेल्या आहेत। तृणमूल काँग्रेसच्या बंडखोर खासदारांना त्या ठिकाणी बोलावल्यामुळे हा विरोध झाल्याची सुद्धा माहिती मिळत आहे।
लोकशाही मराठी ऐका, पहा, जागरूक रहा।